Planning a family vacation that caters to both kids and adults can be a daunting task. But fear not. We've curated a list of enchanting destinations and quick tips that promise a memorable family adventure. No childhood is complete without a trip to the Magic Kingdom. Disneyland has all the magic of Disney World, with far less walking. Tip: arrive early to beat the crowds and enjoy shorter lines at popular rides. For families who crave adventure and stunning natural beauty, the Grand Canyon is a must-visit destination. Tip: take the family-friendly South Rim Trail for breathtaking canyon views. Don't forget to bring plenty of water and sunscreen. Hawaii offers a world of marine wonder, perfect for kids who love to explore the ocean. Tip: snorkeling is a must-do. Rent equipment and explore the vibrant underwater world. Remember to use reef-safe sunscreen to protect the marine life. For a dose of culture and romance, Paris is surprisingly kid-friendly. Tip: opt for a Seine River cruise to see Paris's iconic landmarks from a unique perspective. Book your tickets online to skip the lines. Costa Rica's rainforests and wildlife offer an educational adventure like no other. Tip: join a guided rainforest tour for the best chances of spotting diverse wildlife. Bring binoculars and a reusable water bottle. Kyoto, Japan, combines cultural immersion with family-friendly experiences. Tip: visit Fushimi Inari Shrine early in the morning to avoid crowds. Encourage your kids to try on traditional kimonos for a memorable photo. South Africa's safaris provide a thrilling and educational adventure for families. Tip: bring binoculars and a camera with a good zoom lens to capture wildlife moments. Listen to your guide's instructions for a safe safari experience. Even the young people in your family can't help but be impressed by the breathtaking landscapes of New Zealand. Tip: take your family on a memorable hike through New Zealand's lush forests. Don't forget to pack a picnic and enjoy a scenic lunch. Rome, the Eternal City, welcomes families with open arms and a wealth of ancient wonders. Tip: visit the Colosseum and Roman Forum in the early morning to beat the heat and crowds. Engage your kids with fascinating stories of ancient Rome. Thailand's vibrant culture, beautiful beaches, and delicious cuisine make it an ideal family destination. Tip: take your little adventurers to a Thai cooking class. They'll love learning to prepare tasty dishes while experiencing local culture. No matter where you choose to go, these tips will enhance your family adventures. Share your favorite travel tips in the comments below. Remember, the world is your playground. Like, comment, and subscribe for more exciting travel inspiration.